Hemant here. Today I just want to explain or like show some basic features what Windows 7 has. So you can also see these features in further versions of Windows 7 like Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 10 also. So I just initially take a notepad here. So this is my notepad. So initially first one I just want to explain is snipping tool. Okay, snipping tool, you can find this snipping tool in the search typing snipping tool, or you can just directly see in your start menu. So this snipping tool is mainly used to crop a selected area whatever you want. Okay, it will be directly used as an image. So you can also draw if you want on this. Okay, or you can save it directly. So after saving it will show three formats: PNG, GFI and JPG formats. These are all the three formats which directly you can save. And also you have one more option for this. Once you click snipping tool, not only a rectangular snip, you can also take a free form snip. So by selecting this free form snip, you can cut it anywhere you want. So this is how it will do. So it can also be saved in three formats. This is all about snipping tool. It's a free tool given by Microsoft for all the users. So there is one more tool. Second tool is problem steps recorder. Okay, normally there are so many softwares for showing screen record screen or something. So this program problem steps recorder is one tool which you can easily convey your message to any of your friends. Like if there is a problem with your system, okay, you are experiencing any problem with your system, so you can just directly open this and you can also select start record, so that every action what you do on your desktop will be automatically recorded at the back end. Okay, everything. If there is a problem in opening your music files, then it will display a pop-up here, so that pop-up will also be shown. Okay, you can just close this. I just click stop record. It will ask where to save the file, so I just typing as a test. Okay, on desktop, so it's in zip file format. So okay, you can also use WinRAR or any of the zip file for softwares to open this. Once you open this, this file is opened in any of the browsers like Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. So see, you can see here, step 1, step 2, what are all the clicks you did on the screen is clearly shown here. Okay, which pane is also neatly selected with the green border. Here you can see user left click on back to booting. So these are all the steps. So you can easily send this file to any of the person, like he knows any, he can resolve this issue. So this is how it works. So this is one more tool. So after this we have another tool called on-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard. So here you go. So to get on-screen keyboard, you just need to go to all programs, accessories, and then ease of access. So here you can find on-screen keyboard. This keyboard is used when unexpectedly your keyboard stops working, your external keyboard stops working, or your laptop keyboard stops working, or you are facing any problem while pressing a single key or specific key. So you can use this on-screen keyboard here. Okay, if you want to type something on any of the area, you just need to keep your cursor there exactly, and then you need to type here. Okay, so see, it will also show you some appropriate words. If you want to select, you can directly select that. Okay, okay. Okay, so this is how it works. So close this, and the next tool I want to tell you is speech recognition. This is the one amazing tool which will reduce all your efforts. Okay, see, Windows speech recognition. So initially, to get this, you just need to go to all programs, accessories, and then Windows speech recognition. Initially, you need to undergo some training process like speech tutorial, so that you can get used to the system, or you get used to some of the commands which computer can understand easily. So let me on this. Okay, it says it's listening. Switch to desktop mode. So let me start. Okay, start. Games. Close. Close. Cancel. So this is how it works. Okay, so if you want, you can also type your Word documents easily. So if you are not a good typer, okay, typist or something, so you can directly use this tool, so that each and every command which you say, or each and every word which you spell, which you pronounce, is automatically typed in your Word document. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe if you really like this channel.